Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best heating wire is probably one of the most versatile and essential components you'll find in a wide array of applications. From the cozy warmth of your home's heating system to the demanding processes of industrial machinery, heating wire plays a pivotal role in generating and regulating heat. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of heating wire, exploring its uses, types, and what you should consider before making a purchase. Number 5. HNG8WFT Roof Heat Cable. Tired of ice dams? This self-regulating heat cable is designed to melt snow and ice effectively. It adjusts to temperature changes, ensuring reliable performance in cold weather. Unlike fixed power cables, this one provides up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that it can handle even the coldest conditions. The self-regulating feature makes it a smart choice. The cable automatically adjusts its power output. It maintains a consistent temperature to keep your pipes frost-free. This feature provides peace of mind during winter. Built with high-quality materials, this heat cable is designed for safety and durability. It can withstand tough winter conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. This heat cable is ideal for both residential and commercial applications. It prevents freezing and potential pipe damage. It is a versatile solution for winter protection. Equipped with a 5.4-foot power cord, the cable is easy to install. It adapts well to different pipe lengths and configurations. The setup is hassle-free. This unique design delivers stable 8 watts per foot, even on long cables. It maintains consistent output to fully melt snow and prevent ice dams. This is a reliable choice for large roofs. What we like. This cable features smart self-regulating technology, adjusting its power output to maintain a consistent temperature. It is built to withstand tough winter conditions, ensuring your pipes remain frost-free. If you are looking for a reliable solution that adapts to varying temperatures and provides consistent performance, you should consider this. What people say. It did great melting some snow and ice in the driveway. The cables work beautifully. I appreciate the rugged construction, and the 5 foot of non-heating cable at one end so I can plug them in inside the house. Number 4. Prime RHC 150W30 Roof and Gutter De-Icing Kit. This roof and gutter de-icing kit helps prevent water damage caused by ice dams. It promotes water flow in gutters and downspouts, ensuring your home is protected during the winter months. The kit includes a 30-foot black roof heating cable. This cable is designed to efficiently melt ice and snow. It operates at 150 watts. The product is designed to provide effective heating while conserving energy. The kit comes with shingle clips and spacers for easy installation. The included owner's manual provides clear instructions. The package includes everything you need, such as labeling for the breaker and on-off switch. It has a 2 feet 18.3 SJTW blue power cord. What we like. This kit promotes water flow in gutters and downspouts, preventing water damage caused by ice dams. It comes with everything you need for installation. If you have a standard roof and gutter setup and want an all-in-one solution, this is a great choice. What people say. These heat cables have done exactly what they are intended to do. They are easy to unwind and lay in the gutters and feed down through the downspouts. Use this as a gutter and downspout de-icer, no more icicles forming that would drip water onto path, which would freeze overnight. Number 3. Frost King RC60 Heating Cables, 60 foot, black. This product comes with easy-to-follow instructions. They make the installation process simple and straightforward, ensuring you can set it up quickly and efficiently. The heating cables are pre-assembled, meaning they're ready to install right out of the box. This saves you time and effort, allowing you to get the system up and running without any complicated setup. Inside the package, you'll find detailed instructions. These guides are designed to help you through every step, making sure you understand how to use the product effectively. It helps to keep your gutters and downspouts flowing freely. This prevents ice dams from forming, which can cause serious damage to your roof and home. By preventing ice buildup, it helps to protect your roof from potential damage and leaks. This ensures the longevity of your roof and prevents costly repairs. What we like. This heating cable is pre-assembled and comes with easy-to-follow instructions. It keeps your gutters and downspouts flowing, preventing roof damage and leaks. If you are looking for a simple, ready-to-install solution, this is perfect for you. What people say. The heating wire is easy to work with. The wire heats up quickly. It is a great product for my project. Number 2. Pipe heating cable 15 feet, 120 volt, 31015. This cable has a built-in thermostat that turns it on at 38 degrees Fahrenheit. It helps prevent frozen pipes down to -50 degrees Fahrenheit. Just wrap it on, insulate, and plug it in. It features a press-to-test button, an exclusive feature. You can test the cable before or after installation to ensure it's working properly. This cable is energy efficient, using up to 65% less energy. It operates at 2 watts per foot compared to other cables that use 7 watts per foot. You can use this cable on all rigid pipes. It is suitable for PVC, CPVC, copper, and metal pipes. This product is proudly made in the USA. It is a reliable solution for protecting your pipes from freezing. What we like. This pipe heating cable features a built-in thermostat, turning on at 38 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent frozen pipes. It is also energy efficient, using up to 65% less energy. If you are looking for a simple and energy-saving solution for your pipes, you should consider this. What people say. This wrap-on water pipe wrap is quality, both in material and design. It comes with a thermostat that heats the pipes to about 38 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent freezing. It comes with very good instructions on safety of placement, insulation to use and placement location. Number 1. Prime RHC 500W100 Roof Heating Cable. This roof heating cable from Prime prevents costly damage caused by ice dams. It is designed to keep your roof eaves, valleys, gutters, and downspouts free of ice, allowing water to drain properly. This cable is specifically for use on inclined, tap shingle roofs, gutters, and downspouts. It is not suitable for metal roofs. For optimal performance, pair it with Prime's Roof and Gutter Control, model RHCC. The package includes shingle clips and spacers for easy installation. These accessories help prevent water damage and ensure proper water flow in your gutters and downspouts. The cable has a 500 watt capacity and comes with a 2-foot 18.3 SJTW power cord. A Prime light power indicator lets you know when it's active. Warning: this product can expose you to chemicals including D-2-ethylhexyl, phthalate, DEHP, which is known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. What we like. This roof heating cable helps prevent costly damage from ice dam formation. It includes shingle clips and spacers and features a power indicator light. If you are looking for a reliable cable to protect your roof and gutters, this is a great choice. What people say. They work great every year and easy installation. This thing worked great. I just run it up the rain spouts and bunch it in the gutters. Cords are plugged into light switch so when it snows easy to turn on. Used to get big icicles but not any this past winter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.